So, kailangan talaga eh.
One tip rin siguro pagka ang lyrics mo ganun karami is to you understand. Siguro yun din, doon nanggaling din siguro yung comment na yun. Kasi ang haba ng mga, yung lyrics marami, it's very wordy, di ba? Sabi ni Miss Girly, di ba? So siguro pagka ganun, talagang namnamin mo bawat phrase, talagang put subtle pauses in between. In effect, baka hahaba ng konti yung musically, yung tempo, no? Pero okay lang eh, kaya ngayon yung tawag sa part na yun, yung colla voce, tawag dun sa first part mo, colla voce, meaning the voice will, ano bang literal translation ng colla voce?
Meaning that it's just the voice.
It's just the voice
Parang
that will carry the song.
Yeah, easy
Yun,
lang.
easy lang.
It's you know, you're more or less at your own full time.
Kuya Mark will follow you eh. If you pause at certain times, he will follow you. So siguro in a sense, there was that parang you were in a hurry rin ng konting-konti. It could afford a little more pausing siguro.
And then, di ba, inuulit-ulit ko rin, di ba, yung when the word is feels, let it sound like what it means. Feels versus feels. Both are on pitch. Both produce 12. But the other one delivers the meaning. Love, again, another word, di ba? Love versus love. Yun. Both again on pitch, but the other one, with the help of the breath, puts the meaning more into it. Kumbaga para kayo nagpipinta na ngayon eh. Para nagpipinta kayo ng kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng salita. And that matters a lot because that's what connects with the one listening to you, di ba? Feels. Kaya, ano yung tool doon? Ang tool is, you lean on that vowel. Kaya nga, sinabi ko sa inyo, sa umpisa, we sing on the vowels. Doon mo mai-emote. Doon mo malalagyan. So don't just, because there's so many things to say. Namnamin yun. Talagang let the words, you know, put the emotion there on that vowel to bring out the meaning of the word. Yun na yung connection na kailangan ma-establish nyo. Okay? But otherwise, technique, that's the best I've seen you. So at least improving. It improved from, konti na lang. Hindi ko masyado napapansin na. But na-obvious lang pag merong the please na nota. Okay. And last, not yet.
Di pa po.
Rizal.
Rizal, Chris,
and Bugoy. Okay.
Sir, ano tawag? Colla voce?
Colla voce.
Kaya, dami kong mali.
C-O-L-L-A-V-O-C.
Ganda mo dyan. Ganda ni Lizelle.
Mama, you gave love to me.
Ganda.
Into a woman.
Halatang na mali kasi may lyrics.
So mababaw ang hininga ba?
Cute si Justin.
Okay pa yan eh. Maganda yung stance mo. Air supply, tama. But, okay, short of phrases, di high. Breaking your alignment there, ha? Careful. Okay lang, hindi ano eh. Hindi damaging, maiksi lang yung phrase eh. Tsaka hindi mataas yung nota.
Yan na yung mali.